The way you look should be your sin, you my sensation. God. I know I'm preaching to the congregation. We love
yeah, they're all flying.
Learn a lot to say.
Look at them. Oh! Yes! Yes! Woo! Go get him, cowboy! Woo! Go get him!
In prison as the fourth person convicted in the Michigan Department of Attorney General's ongoing clergy abuse investigation. 67-year-old Joseph Compercio of Fort Myers children. A Jackson County Circuit Court judge sentenced Compercio to also register as a citizen. Eastern Michigan University says all students will be required to wear face masks in classrooms this fall, regardless of vaccination status. Outside of the classroom, those who are fully vaccinated are not required to keep their faces covered unless otherwise noted. The university says physical distancing will also be enforced to keep students at least
Is that guy tailgating the shit out of a cop? Or is the cop towing it? Because, dude, he's just tailgating. Do they know each other? Because if they don't, that's really stupid. Look at him.
I know. I'm not sure what's going on there.
They can't be towing because you'd have to have a sign that says in tow. But why would a guy follow that closely behind? It's a chick. And I think I see some blue hair. I think she's trolling him. I hope she gets I hope she gets a ticket. She's riding his ass. Yeah, do it, please. Please light her up. Please light her up. I want to follow this guy around until he lights her up.
He's at least going to make her uncomfortable.
I wouldn't tailgate her if I were him. I'd just light her ass up.
In front of her.
Well,
yeah.
Yes!
There we go.
Yes!
That's,
Oh, that's delicious.
that was,
What a d***head. Wow, let's look how stupid her face is. Oh, your face is so Got him! Oh, that guy that took off and was trying to race me, he's now getting pulled over.
all over again. The toll that you know. That is excellent. Yeah.
He's getting caught. You're so getting caught, you fucking idiot. I gotta watch this one. No. Yep, there you go. That's what you get for being an idiot. Instant karma.
In a quarter.